And they rock. Kaligatan draws for your lead. Winning Habit is by the rail. Then comes 4A, and that speed to reaches in between runners comes Red Hot Water, King Aljun, and Hakuna Matata is bringing up the rear as they leave the straight and going to the 3/4 mile distance. Kaligatan by about a length and a half, running in second. Red Hot Water. Winning Habit is running by the rail, running alongside 4A, speed to reaches King Aljun second last, and Hakuna Matata still running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Kaligatan still leading the field this time by about 2 lengths. Running in second, Red Hot Water. 4A, speed to reaches now in third, and running by the rail, Winning Habit, Hakuna Matata, King Aljun rounding at the last 600. Kaligatan this time by about 4 lengths. Red Hot Water remains in second, and by the rail is entry number 1, Winning Habit, running on the outside. 4A, speed to reaches Hakuna Matata, and King Aljun still in behind them as they swing for home with Kaligatan still leading the field. Red Hot Water now trying to get closer on the outside. King Aljun by the rail, Winning Habit, Hakuna Matata, speed to reaches with 150 to go. Red Hot Water now takes the lead by the rail. Winning Habit, Hakuna Matata, King Aljun is on the outside with 75 meters. Red Hot Water winning this race over Hakuna Matata. Then comes number 1, Winning Habit, King Aljun, number 4, Kaligatan, and Speed to Riches comes in last.